also going around and depositing yourself in different spiritual bodies does something to you. Mcabangele umuntu osuke uzwana naye.
Tozan Coco, how are you?
I'm great, thanks. And how are you?
Great. Coco, today I'd like to pick your brain and learn about the spiritual side of sex. Okay. So I had a lady that's, well, a friend of mine that told me istori sakhe yabo, and then she was explaining how when she goes to her boyfriend and obviously expecting ukuthi they're going to be having, fun with the boyfriend sexually, but as soon as she steps in the door of her boyfriend's place, she starts going on her period. How is that remedied in Dumbenyako?
Okay, so our bodies are always saying something to us. They're always responding to our environment, to the people we interact with. They always say, watch how a person makes you feel when you're around them, how your energy vibrates. Maybe you found a man, and when you're around them, you just feel jittery. We are shaker for no reason, or shayalval, or butterflies are a real feeling. So you might also feel that. But your body is actually saying something to you. If I may ask, is this a once-off situation? Like,
It's something that now it's happening often. Ukuthi makafika nje at the doorstep or on her way there, and then she just starts being on her period.
her guides are protecting her. There's something that her guides don't want her to get contaminated with. We might not know the full reason, but there might be a couple of reasons. I'll give a few examples. Maybe the guy has someone that he's in a relationship with, and mhlampe idlozi lakhe liyala ukuthi ugogo loya abe contaminated ngaloyo muntu, that person's energy. Two, it can be good to the guy unesithwalo. And now the ancestors are also working overtime to protect you and not want you to actually engage in that sexual activity. Three, it can be a trauma of some sort because not everything is spiritually rooted in some. Sometimes it can be a trauma of some sort. Ukuthi mhlampe at that time, she has to look at her particular feelings. Is the relationship in a good place? Are they in the right energy? Because if your body just goes into a mental state every time you're supposed to rekindle nomuntako, then it's actually telling you something. It's either putting its guard up or there's a response you are giving to something. Because remember, when we are on our periods as women, we are at our highest vibration. That's what most men do not know. And men that know that there is gold there will actually have sex with their partners when they are on their period. So if you're not somebody that fasts and pray, I always say use your periods as that time. But she should definitely look into this. The energy is saying something to her. The body is saying something to her. She must look at her dreams, look at the patterns. Maybe she'll find her answer there.
Okay. So, cheating, can it cause umuntu ukuthi they start menstruating just before they see their partner? So, can cheating affect the relationship spiritually?
Yes, it can. Like I was speaking, I was touching on in the previous question you asked. Remember, cheating is an energy exchange. There's something that you're going to get from somebody, whether it's 5-minute quickie or one night stand or 3 days umvalele, but there's always something you exchange with a person. So, in most cases, as men, you take what is good, mostly vibrating higher, and it works at the time. But the negativity, where does it go? You ask yourself, I'm going to deposit into my partner unknowingly. And she was cheating. Whatever good was in that partner, I cheated nayo. Yeah, but the negative, uyakwazi ukuthi ayideposite kuwe. That's why I was telling you there are certain patterns you'll start developing that are not of your character, but of that person's character. There's a guy who's dating similar women. They are of a certain type, they look the same because there's certain DNA or there's certain energy that he carries within those relationships that it leads so that thing carries on within the relationship. So cheating, yes, it's a big energy exchange. We cannot say do not cheat because when you say do not cheat, people cheat. People cheat publicly or secretly, it's got nothing to do with us. But the best thing you can do if you know that you engage in such things, mcabangele umuntu osuke uzwana naye. But in such, there are some cases where women will be like, iba mnandi kakhulu mangilele nomunye umuntu mangibuyela kuye. Yes, imnandi because igcwele mfi indaba zabantu, but izom-affecta omunye umuntu lento leyo because uzothatha ngizwile the balance between the positive and the negative uzothatha adeposite lapho kuwo wena uyathatha ulala naye umuntu wakho. So sex it's a very tricky game. Ngiyafisa ukuthi mhlambe there was a certain card or regulation that was done sexually, spiritually for people. Mase udeposite kakhulu into zakho kakhulu kube nje ungasabi ne-erection ube ne-limit so that you can replenish yourself, because also going around and depositing yourself in different spiritual bodies does something to you. So sex just needs to be enjoyed with responsibility. Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so this one is more for the gentleman. Can erectile dysfunction be caused by an ex?
Yes, if ex yakhe ihambile yaya kudabula, yes, the erectile dysfunction can happen. If ex yakhe ikwenzile ukuthi mawulala nomuntu ingavuki, kunezinto azozithathe zakho, or even there's many ways to kill a cat, but I believe the heart of a man kula masikuthola la akekho phela umuntu ozophilisana nawo. So uwazi ukuthi umuntu okwenza kanjalo umuntu who's they've got anger, they've got fury towards you. So le muntu angakubulala, but ukhethe ukuthi angakuse emathuneni akuthi qa laphayana. So ungambona uphinda enzile iBBL amile induna ithe helele, but ingakhombi ngisho ne direction. Sometimes kuyayenzeka ukuthi not even an ex, when umuntu osukuzwana naye mhlambe lelo langa lelo ukufakele something la kuyi ingavuke as a man. Remember abafazi it's period, amadoda it can be an erector. So ingavuke uzibuze ukuthi why lelanga leli ingavuke. Sometimes nje ubuhozi nje if usowuthole okungcono ngaphandle vela ngeke isavuka la endlini, you know better. Ngisho wazi ama fruit cake la sekuyi butternut, so shiya phansi butternut, stick to the fruit cake. Sometimes also the energy exchange is bad, that omunye umuntu is always defending themselves. So I think uma ipipi lingavuki, ngizoyisho nje icala umlomo, ipipi lingavuki, there's a lot of reasons for that. Sometimes system yakho ingcolile, siyaqina ke ikhalo, sikclean ikhalo. Mina endumile lami ke ngiyasebenza ngalezo. Umuntu oyesilisa ngiyamsiza ukuthi isebenze kahle induku yakhe, akwazi ukuphilisa umuzi wakhe. Ume uthi ntsi ume nje ngama border gates, because yonke into icala la kuwe esinyeni as umuntu wendoda. So if ungachathi, if ungaphalazi, uyaphuza ama-Hunters Dry Monday to Sunday, but ufuna lana kusebenzeke. Abafazi bafuna uku-enjoyiwa, they want to be satisfied. Coming does not mean that's pleasure. You need to take her to Dubai, umbuyise niloko nilana ethembisa. So if you don't know those things, uzoba senkingeni. You cannot base sex on just a once-off situation or just the penetration of it. You need to understand sex as art, that you are tapping into each other's energy while giving each other's pleasures of desire. So umuntu nje needs to know themselves. But as a man, if you're not having a proper erection, siyakusiza thina. Mina ngifike lapha ngilahlela ama diamond namapheli ngibona ukuthi ayi crystal ibheke phezulu ngidayila ngathi it's not giving what it's supposed to give. Then you understand ukuthi your erection ibuyaphi. Abanye umuntu ofana njengami abomakhosi liyakwazi ukuthi lingami ipipi lakhe because mhlambe ngaleso sikhathi idlozi lifikile ngobukhulu balo lithi cha, no sexual activity. So nongoba ungaba kanjani ungafike kuyo uthweke tonight I wanna dance for you, let's I need zilapho. So there are many reasons, but as a man you must always look after yourself. But there's also other factors that are there, health factors. We got, diabetes. There's a lot of things that are there. But I generally say, as umuntu nje ophilayo, iba nala uphila khona, because what the Western cannot heal, obviously thina sizokwazi ukukulekelela kuko, So let's kill 3 birds with 15 stones.
So gogo wena upeyita amadoda endumbeni.
My lord. Smagodi. No, angwapeti gogo. That's now a stretch. I work with my brother, and then buti futhi esibuye sisebenzisane naye. So in the regard of umuntu kudingeka leyo nsebenze leyo ngiyababiza, because angithandi ukuthi iclient lami ngilibonele kakhulukazi ngale, angifuni ukuthatha idzudzu, uyaunderstand. So I have a male assistant also kangisizayo, and then siyakwazi ukuthi umuntu simulekelele. But in some cases omunye siyakwazi kumnikeza into ukuthi hamba uyisebenzise ekhaya sikutshele, but mina sami ke ngiyasibamba silesi sihambayo, so esipipe ube laphayana ukhalwe yi-1. But I have to regulate you also, because akusi wonke umuntu omane nje ungamkhatha noma kanjani. But for it's part of general basic hygiene, spiritual hygiene, because inyongo iyakwazi ukukhuphuka phezulu ikhuphuke nangaphansi. So kumele ukhiphe nje, keep mzala. But no angwachatha but angingichathe shem lobu sabusibo ukuthatha mina ngizokusita kodwa ngizobe ngime nomumfu otoyenta indaba yokuthi sikufakele enzenzini kodwa asinike sikulimate kodwa siyakusita ukusita kwani sizokusita. But if you don't want us to touch you, then siyakwazi ukukunikeza something ozoyisebenzisa ekhaya, ungasebenzisa ispade, ungayiphuza, whatever the case may be, because abanye abantu abathanda ukuthinta ngasese, abanye abantu baningi abantu. So you just need to know how to cater for your clients ukuze ungazo infringe their rights also as well.
Gogo, is abstaining from sex good for a spiritual practice?
Abstaining from sex, I have to laugh first. Abstaining from sex is good, but also it's not good. The reason it's not good. Sex is what people don't know, that when you are having sex and you are having sex with the right person, for example, okay, before I get there, when you're not having sex, uyakwata, uba angry, uya moody, unazinto eziningi. Noba umuntu angafika lapha endumbeni ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngimudle ngamazinyo, because I have not ngikhiphe nami lokho kusuke kukimi. Sex is a good way of depositing and like transferring energy. There's just a lot going on there. But once you understand the spiritual physics behind sex, you're no longer looking at it as just nje sex is a bad thing. But there are things and rituals that require one to stay purely off sex, meaning that angikwazi ukungena in my practice uma ngabe ngibuya ku-John, because I have John's energy with me. So I have to go into a fasting, clapping, abstaining for that particular amount of time. But once that's done, then we go back to normal factory settings. But there's an upside and a downside to sex. But that's why I need to spiritual responsibility, you need to master it. If you don't have responsibility, then you might as well tap out of sex. But sex and it does not contradict anything. When as a munt, if my course watching me right now, you need to have boundaries. No, it's kasoglala, no assist. And don't wait for your ancestors to be like, no more sex, because once they enter the chat, feelings, you will not find him attractive. But once you know that, you know yourself, your spiritual chart. I always tell my spiritual I think have a spiritual chart. You know how your dlozi works, which times of the year is your energy most highest at its vibration. That's when you know that's when I'm more busy. So you know summer I can have sex, gay, at least I'm less busy. But in times comes like these, abo winter nani when you busy nje asiko nje isikhathi sokudlala nabafana. So you must just focus on your work. But abstinence, it depends also, because it's our fun. But as a person, you just need to know your guides, who you are, what you are doing. If you're gonna entertain sex, for example, I also have herbs engzintayo. Post having sex, because asazi ukuthi abantu balala nabani, abanye abantu balala nabo sesibasebusuku, abanye abantu bayenzani. So kuhle nje ukuthi uma ubona ukuthi yazini ngicela ukulala noJohn, but ngithe mangicela ukulala naye umoya wami wavele waba phansi, it means uJohn took something from you that was high vibrating. Then there are ways I can assist you ukuthi no gogo, let us help you rebalance your energy so you can pick up where you left off. But if uJohn is a constant situation, then usenkingeni kuyomele njalo umulana noJohn, you always protect yourself, because he's always taking more and depositing in stress sakhe kuye. So yena uvuka ekuseni angakujayiva akuthekele, but uthole ukuthi the previous night he was feeling so down. But when now you wake up, the positions are swapped. When you are now the one that's feeling so down, you know, right? You know that he's taken something from you. So those are the balances within a relationship that we can't avoid. But once in Zwanili no muntu for a long time, you get to understand that where you are strong, I'm weak. Where I'm weak, you are strong, and then you balance that out. That's why abantu abahlala ukuthi akekho umuntu ozotshela uhlala nomuntu every day ijukujuku cha. There are times whereby there is no sexual activity. You must know that both of you are recharging. But now, if kono rechargeayo ozi recharge ngabanye ngaphandle, kuzobuya kube inkinga. It will translate financially, energy-wise, isn't that zihambe kahle because now there's a lack somewhere. Instead of ukuthi ni recharge nizobuye ni chargeane, umuntu uthatha energy uyisa ngaphandle, abuye futhi alale nawe uthatha energy futhi ayise ngaphandle. So relationships, sex, it's a broad conversation.
Thank you, Gogo.
The pleasure is mine. Are we done? Well, that was nice and short. Later.